Well, this is going to be my first drive on this car. I've started it up and moved it around, but I've got the radiator sitting in it finally. At least enough to let it run without worrying here. I suppose it should, since it is a brand new car. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice car. I picked up airbags yesterday. It's $900, but at least included the knee bag, the dash bag and dash, and a steering wheel bag. So this car should be back to perfect pretty soon. Temperature's coming up nicely. Thanks to my brother who changed the gauges back to English. When I picked up this car, they were in Italian. So I'm not sure if that was a marketing gimmick by Fiat, or if that was really the first owner of this car just spoke Italian. On this thing yet. It sounds pretty good with the broken airbox, actually. Kind of sounds like a cold air intake. Yeah, not bad. Excited to start driving this thing. So I'll see if the heater works. Is the 13 model year, manufactured really late 13. It was an August 13 production. Yeah, had a front end collision, pretty light one, slid over the core support, which is I think why it was totaled, because it blew the bags, even though there wasn't enough structural damage to need to blow them. Sure, a ticky engine. I think that's normal. Not sure.